Hello everyone, welcome back to another full self-driving videos in New York. I'm using the latest and greatest for hardware 3 12.6.4 in New York, and I'm gonna engage FSD. We're gonna see how FSD take us from point A to point B. So we are going to Costco right now, so let's see how FSD handles this whole drive. Navigate to Costco. I'm gonna engage it right now. We're gonna see how FSD take us. So I engage FSD. We are sitting, the car is not moving till now. It is slightly moving, so let's see what the car does here. So it is not moving, so I'm gonna press that acceleration to tell the car please go. Immediately whenever I just press that acceleration, the car started moving. Very good job over there. So yeah, we are moving, we are filming, and we're gonna make an unpredictable left turn right over here on this stop sign, and we need to stop on this stop sign. We're gonna look on our left side and right side. If there is nothing, we can just make this left turn, but before that we need to creep a little bit to look both sides. So it is like almost like, you know, like a office ending time, so people are coming out from work. It is little traffic over here and there. We can go right now. The car proceeded perfectly without any problem. Very good job. Immediately come to the middle lane, like the suicide lane or whatever lane you want to call it, and then the car moving and going. So we need to move to the right lane because we're gonna go straight, but the car stays over here. There is no traffic on our right side, so hopefully the car will move to the right lane. Right now we saw that left turn mark on the road, and the car moved to that middle lane. Very good job. Because the right lane is for making right turn, the left lane is for making left turn, but the middle lane will go straight, and we're gonna go straight. If you're following the GPS, you can see that we're gonna go straight. So let's find out how FSD handled this whole drive. It's just 9 minutes drive, and we're gonna see how FSD handles this whole drive, right guys? So we are stopping here right now, and whenever the traffic light will change from red to green, we can move. Very good. So the light just changed, and hopefully our car will move if the front car in front of us, whatever car in front of us moves. So we are going. Very good. Perfectly done. The car is going. It rained a little bit in the morning, and it is slightly raining here and there still now. So the windshield wiper is working, but our car is moving, right? Without any problem. The car is not saying, full self-driving is degraded because of bad weather, but our car is going, guys. Very, very good job over here. So very good till now. So we're gonna stop on this stop sign, and then we can go, because this is a always stop sign. What we need is to just, stop over here behind that white line. And after we stop, we look all of our other side, like the left, right, and in front of us. If there is no vehicle, who comes first, goes like the first, right? So we are going, and we are gonna stop on this next stop sign. As you can see, very, very good. The car is not making any mistake till now. The car is driving very smoothly. It's not doing any a bad interaction with other people or doing anything bad. So we stopped here. Take a little more time, definitely 3 car passed, and then we started moving. So could be probably like a human. If I was driving, probably I was just gonna stop and just go, but it takes its time. Not a bad thing. Definitely being very cautious, and drive like that. Very good. Very, very, very good. So we're going, as you can see. We're gonna make a right turn on this traffic light, but the light changed. We cannot make right turn on this traffic light because there is a sign called no turn on red. You can see that on the right side, but we have to definitely wait for the traffic light to be changed from red to green. But there are so many vehicles on our left side, definitely, but we're gonna see if FSD tries to go and try to make that right turn. Hopefully it will not, because it can definitely see that sign which it says like no turn on red. We can make this right turn now. The light changed. We make that right turn without any problem. The car seems very confident today. Even if like it rained, the camera is not probably so much like it's not clean that much, but still the car is making right turn, left turn very, very good. Like it is driving us perfectly without any problem. So we're going, guys. So we'll make a left turn on this upcoming all-way stop sign. We're gonna stop, and like we have to wait for all the traffics to go by, and then we can definitely make that left turn. We're gonna see how FSD decide between other cars. That will be very good to see, because there will be like other cars too around on our left side, right side, or even from in front of us. So what we'll do is we're gonna observe how FSD handles this whole like all-way traffic sign. So yeah, let's find out, guys. So this car is gonna go, and now we need to wait for that opposite one, the right side one, and now we can definitely make this left turn. Very good. Like no hesitation at all. Like definitely there is no car on the left side. It would be probably a little harder if there is another car on the left side, probably another one in front of us. And then FSD needs to decide which one came first and then decide when I'm gonna go. But the car did everything right today. We are going Costco, guys, and the car is not making any mistake. It is taking us from point A to point B without any human interaction, which is amazing. Think of a day like you were sleeping and the car is taking you from point A to point B, and you're probably doing other work, and the car doesn't, like you don't need to interact with your car, right, guys? Very, very amazing technology, definitely. So yeah, we're gonna move to the left lane all the way, because we're gonna make a left turn. We're gonna see how FSD handles. We need to go a little fast because the light will change, and our car decided to come in the middle, and now we're kind of stuck, and the light goes from red to yellow flashing, and after this white one we can definitely make this left turn. So um not a bad thing to do. It was right, like passing that like white line and then come to a point, but it could just easily go a little fast and make that left turn immediately, but it takes its time staying over there, and when it sees like like flashing yellow, it waited for that white car to pass and then make that left turn. Very good. Like I'm not gonna say it's a bad thing to do, but I would definitely prefer, if that's not a like flashing yellow, it's just red, then you're stuck kind of in the middle of intersection, which is not a good thing to do. So we're gonna make a left turn. There is no traffic from the opposite side. We make this left turn perfectly without any problem, and we're going, guys. Amazing, amazing job. Hopefully the car will get into the parking lot and is gonna try to park, but probably it's just gonna follow the navigation. So I'm gonna take over right now. I'm gonna take over because the GPS I put on the navigation, it is showing in the middle of the, like in front of the Costco. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the car to a parking space, and we're gonna see if the car can park by itself. Okay, so let's check if I have a parking here. So we are going. Yep, there's one parking spot. So we're gonna see if FSD can park here. I just press start. We're gonna see how FSD handles. It is trying to park. Going to the left side. There is a human behind us. It's gonna go in the front a little bit more. Okay, you can now park, definitely. It is just parking by itself, guys. It would be awesome like FSD 13 if I would just, like just find the parking and get into it. That'll be great. Probably one day it will definitely do that. But for now, for Hardware 3, we can do that. And the car parked by itself. I'm going to end the video here. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment what you think about it, how you feel about FSD, and how you feel about Hardware 3. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you so much and have a wonderful, wonderful day.